I'm Malitha with WTI, and if you like classy watches, this is the watch for you. This is the Luno by Movado. It is a classy watch, but it is also a sports watch because it is very rugged and very heavy, so you can wear it out and not worry about it getting beat up. It has a beautiful crystal face that's scratch resistant, as well as the timeless black face that is signature to Movado with the little dot at the 12 o'clock hour. This is a great watch. I love it. He loves it. It looks good on him. And when he wears it out, it really looks great, whether he's wearing a suit or whether we're just going out to brunch. This watch has a great clasp. I love how easy it is to open and close. These could be adjusted, by the way, the bracelet. You can take it to any jeweler, but it has these two little notches on the side. Once you just press it, it just pops right open. I love that about it. I love the links of this watch. This is a great watch. So this is the Luno by Movado. It's a sport watch. It's very classy. I love it. I highly recommend it, and that is just my point of view.